And the next one's gonna be I took a 68-year-old to an underground concert. This one's a little different, but we're gonna try it.
We're all gonna get old one day. And with age comes the usual.
I might jump around in this one because it's 17 minutes and, you know, we kind of know the premise of it.
Responsibilities, back pain, and telling our kids how much better music was back in the day. But what if it didn't have to be that way? Not the back pain. I'm no chiropractor. What if... Not you, dog. Specifically one of the hottest rising artists in the rap scene, Osama-san. The only thing is, there's not many places you can find elders at. Some are found in the library. Some are even found in the...
Oh, I feel like you just go to Walmart, you go to Target, you go anywhere everybody has to go. You're gonna find old people. What do you mean they're hard to find?
retirement home. I'm sorry.
I feel like going to the retirement home is too much. Those are like old people. Like that you know, like that's what you're going for, maybe. But you could find a 70-year-old that's not a
yes, I
retirement
have to
home.
sit through an entire Zumba session.
What kind of music do you listen to?
When I'm all stressed, I put the classical music channel.
70s. Rock, Frank Sinatra, and also, yeah, everything. A little bit of everything.
I love classical.
Jazz or improvised music.
Soul, I enjoy classical.
So nothing too crazy on the ears. What about when you
Wow, nobody said rap. No one said Taylor Swift.
were younger?
All jazz.
Talking Heads, and I like David Bowie.
So you can do noise. A
Yeah.
bunch of noise, okay.
Yeah.
When I was younger, I liked country.
We all listen to gospel music. I can sing,
Okay.
but I can't.
Can we hear a little singing?
No.
What is something you miss about being young?
Looking better?
Which one are you gonna take? Are you like
game for that.
interviewing them to pick one?
My cover is blown. He's been like, showing me your school email, show me the professor's name. I don't want to go to jail, I'm gonna be honest. So I had to come clean. He was like, that's pretty
You
messed
found
up.
out, bro, and then it was kind of sketched about why you were even there.
Man, give me a call. Hey, Scotty.
I did get your apology. Tell me your side of the story and take it from there.
Everything I said is still true. My intentions are still pure. I just had to put it in the aspect of it being for a college class.
Give me the course information. I thought it was kind of sketchy when you just sent me a screenshot of it. But you came clean. You did good. I accept your apology. We're good.
Gee, old people are kind of weird.
We're good. I want to tell you a little bit of something that I can learn from you. I want to mix my computer into digital music and video. But I'm thinking maybe with some of the stuff you're into, I could learn something from you.
Okay.
Because I do see myself doing some sort of YouTube channel myself. Combine that with mostly my love of jazz and singing.
I would love to help whatever endeavors you
Well,
had.
that's fun.
Yeah, Max. Let's do it.
Turned into a whole different
Miles
thing.
Davis.
That's
I'll take this.
sick.
Thank you so much. Thought I was muted. Should I give him a pop figure that looks like Max?
Oh, always look kind of blue.
All right, guys, we're here with Mr. Scott. Are you excited?
I'm excited, man. I looked at 3 tunes. The one I remember was, like I said, the one with all the colored paint.
Yeah, that one. So do you think within the set list you'll end up hearing a song you may like?
I think there'll be
Oh, so he like makes music too or something?
Opener is. His name is 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
Yes.
Quite a while.
I feel like the concept of this would be fun, but then going through it, like hanging out with an elderly man, and you're like under 20. I feel like this would be an awful experience, actually.
Picker? Yes. Get out of here. Jeff Picker, we were in high school together.
Oh my God. What is the fine?
They told me about this guy who's playing Osama-san. He's like one of those.
Snoop Dogg ruined my hearing, yeah.
You guys like Eminem?
Snoop Dogg, the Alcoholics.
Am I muted?
What did I just listen to? Miles.
Well, was it on Kind of Blue?
Oh, jeez.
Scott's feeling
Okay.
good. I'm ready. Osama-san. Yep. See you in the show.
High-tech snap?
This is amazing, bro. This is beautiful, right?
Get in there.
What you thinking?
Well, I think it's a good space.
Yeah, very spacious, but it looks like it's going to get crowded very quick. Oh, he's feeling it already.
I don't think he likes this music at all. He looks so uncomfortable.
You're a high energy young man. Got early here, checking in. Everything's fine.
Scotty being in the north.
That's fun. I bet they would get on board with it. Leads instantly?
There's this
Where's the flash?
crazy mix.
Yeah, it's got a crazy mix.
Incubus, Sublime, Santana.
Showing the music?
I think so. Take off my glasses.
Okay. Yeah, this would get old really quickly. Yeah, I don't want to give the guy a heart attack, you know? He's having fun. I feel like that's as much as we're gonna get out of that.
Let's get out, man. Let's get out.
Let's get out.
Alright, no, it's alright, it's alright.
Not that way, not that way. No.
Coming out, coming out, coming out. Come on, come on, come on.
Is he panicking? Oh no.
That was amazing. It had to be myself. I knew that if I went with the flow, no matter how many people there were, pushing against me in the mash pot.
You think he's just gonna ghost him? Do you think he's gonna actually help him with his YouTube and everything?
Taking me on, trusting me even when
Yesterday turned out good. I'm glad I went. Thanks. Traveled a lot in my life. That was truly an amazing adventure. I really did have fun Friday. What a great story. Everyone I've told was amazed and made me jealous.
I don't want to toot my own horn, but I think so. Let that.
Oh, that's nice. Scott's website. Oh. Well, that was good. I actually enjoyed that. Maxwell, yay. I didn't change the name again. I am so sorry. I will hopefully change it in post. Anyway.